there.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. We're going to mute then, okay?
Okay. Hi, how are you, everyone?
How you doing?
Okay. Welcome to Cooking with Kids. And we're really excited to have you here today. Today we're going to be making corn muffins. And they're really easy to make. Okay. And they're a lot of fun to make. So let me show you what you'll need. Okay. Let's start off with a bowl. You're going to need a bowl to mix all your ingredients in. You're also going to need a big spoon, okay, to mix your ingredients. You're going to need your corn muffin mix or cornmeal. You're going to need 1 egg. Okay, here are my eggs. You're going to need some milk.
That little girl's drinking soda.
You're also going to need a measuring cup. And last but not least, you are going to need a muffin tin. Okay, does everyone have those things?
Yes, we have them. Yes, we have them.
Okay, the first thing I want to tell everyone is when you do a cooking program, you want to make sure to wash your hands. And if there's any ingredients that you're allergic to, you don't want to make this, you don't want to make it. Okay, so just be careful of that. All right.
I'm allergic to this.
The first thing I'm going to do is take my spoon, mixing bowl, and I'm going to put in my corn muffin mix.
Yes, you just have it different.
So I'm just opening up my cornmeal mix. Okay, now I'm putting my cornmeal. You just want to take this and put it in your bowl.
Next the egg. Remember, the egg got splattered in my
Okay,
hand.
so there's the cornmeal in the bowl.
How much?
Yeah,
How much cornmeal?
Okay. I'm using Jiffy cornmeal mix, so
Oh,
I'm pouring the whole thing in. Let me just measure.
okay.
Need a little bit of that.
It's okay, Mama.
Okay.
It smells good.
I bet you a spoon has to be an
Okay.
What's
I have 1.5 cups of cornmeal mix.
Okay.
I'm trying to mix.
Look this way. Look this way. Jacob, come back. Jacob, we'll wait for her to sit with the egg. Jacob, don't drop the egg. Jacob.
Okay, get it.
Jacob.
Okay, just 1 egg I'm going to crack.
All right. Jacob, guys, sit down. You get your egg.
Ready?
Mom.
All right. You're going to put the shell back in your little bowl.
Yeah, be careful. Don't fall into the
Mix. Your ear. Get that paper towel from my hand.
Okay, now you're going to pour your milk.
Okay, just got to get rid of the shell.
Okay, you're going to need 1/3 cup milk.
Okay.
All right.
Now you milk.
Mom, we need
Okay,
to mix.
1/3 cup. It's this one. Hold it up.
Yeah, you can mix it, Mama. Yeah, put your milk in.
Are you gonna pour?
I'm gonna pour.
Okay, so here we go.
Go slow. Go slow.
Jacob, where's your stir? Yeah, stir.
Just mix. Okay.
Mix.
You can mix.
Okay, I just want to mention that at this point, you may want to put your oven on to 350.
We have an oven, but it's very too
Have your mom or dad do that for you.
Ours, put this one into. Yeah. Put the oil in.
Okay, so we're going to pour our milk in our muffin mix.
Looks totally yucky.
Mix it up. Mix.
Okay.
Did
So
I mix?
Mix.
Did I mix? Mix it.
already. Mix.
Oh,
Okay, so now you want to mix it all together.
mix
Mix all together.
Mix it all together. I'm all done mixing. That looks kind of yucky. I'm all into this.
Did you finish mixing it? It's only supposed to be a little bit lumpy.
You want to get all, see how it still looks a little powdery? You want to get rid of, you want it to look like powder anymore. This liquid,
Looks liquid.
making it all wet.
I think mine is wet.
Okay, how does your mix look?
Okay, I'm all done with this.
Okay, hold on. Let me get rid of my eggs. Okay.
I'm to do it. I didn't do it with us.
You should have
Mine is not to look ready.
Good.
one milk
Look, mine is ready.
and an egg. It's going to be a little lumpy, so you want to make sure to mix and get those lumps out.
Look at that, buddy. That looks nice. Okay. All right, let me see your.
I need to wash this.
Oh, leave it in there, buddy. Yeah, let's make sure you got all your powder mixed in. Beautiful. Okay, you're gonna be ready for your pan soup.
Oh yeah.
Hold on.
Okay, I'm just wondering, is there a recipe for corn muffins on the back of your cornmeal container?
Yeah, it uses a cup to a cup of flour, a quarter cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of baking powder,
Oh, she's doing it.
milk, egg, and oil. These are a lot of stuff.
Let's try and see if this will work.
Okay. What about this side?
It goes
Okay, so you're going to need a muffin tin.
Yep.
All right.
I need yellow.
I only have one yellow.
Like so.
Okay, you're going to put
Yellow, white, pink.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you your.
you're going to put cups in your tin.
I don't have any more pink ones either. Oh, I have another pink.
I'm gonna give you an ice cream scoop.
And what do you want in that one? White?
Pink. Not white.
A white or pink?
White.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. I need some better here. But does it work?
Do it. Good, Mom.
We use this.
Good.
We use the gravy, little gravy boat.
What's a gravy boat?
That's what this little spoon is.
This?
Yep, that's how you always make your cupcakes.
I like the time together.
What's
What's pretty?
You're doing it so good, bud. Put it in the empty ones, okay? In the empty.
You should have 6.
One.
And if you mix
Yeah.
your cornmeal mix, you can
Okay.
put it right in the pan.
These are Northern Islands. Yeah.
The spoons are-
Put in the ones that don't have any, okay?
You gotta put more in, otherwise it's gonna be too small.
The one that's in the ones that are empty, okay?
Okay. That one moved.
Good job. Do the empty ones.
Okay, I'm just pouring the cornmeal mixture into the cup.
Away.
Yeah, the spoon's getting in the way.
Take it out.
I'll just use it. Go ahead. That's it? Okay.
Let's go. Let's
This one?
Go ahead. Come on.
I'm gonna look for that one. Good, okay. Now,
I'm so risky.
yes.
We gotta use it.
Good job.
Get some more.
To wash your hands, Mama? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'm hoping that your cornmeal recipe works with this one.
We'll find out.
Okay, remember I use Jiffy cornmeal, so if yours doesn't come out correctly, you may want to try this at the store.
Okay.
I mean, like, I just tried that and it tastes good.
It tastes yucky.
It's ready for the oven.
Everybody has different things they like.
Okay, so you want to pop it in the oven that you preheated for 350
Gotta pop it in.
degrees?
We gotta pop it in the oven. Which are you gonna get cornmeal in your hair? Okay, you gotta go pop it in the oven and wash your hands. Come on, quick.
I want to do this.
That's disgusting.
It's yummy.
Come on, help me put it in the oven. Come on.
All right, buddy, we gotta put it in the oven now. Okay, go wash. Be careful, it's slippery over there, Chloe. All right.
Okay, and while that's cooking, I'd love to read a story to you.
Jacob, you want to hear a story?
Okay, this story is called How to Dress a Dragon. And the reason I'm reading a story about a dragon is because our summer reading club theme this year has to do with all kinds of creatures and fairy tales and folk tales. Okay, so if you haven't signed up for the summer reading club, you may want to do that.
Okay, let's see. Muffins. 15.
If you have to dress a dragon, you must be prepared to catch him as he flies by. You may have to tackle him to the floor and give him belly kisses.
It's ready.
So it's live, I think. Oh, wait, it's live.
Yep.
Glad I can't close it.
Once your dragon is still, it will be time to put on his underwear.
It is nasty.
The good thing is dragons love underwear, especially froggy superhero ones. I just want to mention that the muffin should be in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes.
Say okay.
15 to 20 minutes.
I put the timer on for you because you were.
Silly dragon. Ha ha ha.
Giant underpants.
You might have to saddle your dragon to put on his socks. Dragons have very ticklish toes.
He's scared.
Silly dragon.
Open up your tie.
Dragons do not like shirts with buttons.
Grandma.
Dragons do not like shirts that pull over their heads.
Go. Hurry up.
Dragons do not like shirts.
Over here, honey.
No, I want to be here.
I don't know if I can make it fit there.
But they do like capes.
Shh.
I am.
Dragons prefer shorts instead of pants. Shorts are much easier to put on with big dragon feet. Please, dragon, don't scrunch up your toes. Shoes can be very tricky. But if you let your dragon wear his froggy boots, he will be very happy. Dragons are very picky about hats. They will only wear ones that fit nicely between their horns. When your dragon is all dressed, he will want to go outside and play. But beware, if he wants to play his favorite game of Dragon and Knight, your dragon will insist on being the silly knight. Good night. Okay. Well, I have some corn muffins that I made already, and I just want to show you how they should look. Okay, and they're really yummy with jam or butter. If you've never tried that before, now's a good time to try it. Okay, so we have our muffins. And good luck to you with your muffins. I hope they come out okay. If not, an easier way to make them is with Jiffy corn muffin mix. Okay, good luck.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
I have some more.
You want to say bye?
Thank you.
Say goodbye, Chloe.
Goodbye, Chloe.